Muslim English Language Institute. Vocabulary, lexical resources. Listen to the translation of the words, repeat them, and listen to the examples.
Number 1. Basis, noun. To do something on time's basis is how often you do it. Example, my grandfather gets his hearing checked on a yearly basis.
Number 2. Biology, noun. Biology is the study of living things. Example, we learn about the human heart in biology class.
Number 3. Cage, noun. A cage is something that holds an animal so it cannot leave. Example, we put the parrots in their cage at night.
Number 4. Colleague, noun. A colleague is somebody you work with. Example, my colleague helped me finish the job.
Number 5. Colony, noun. A colony is a country controlled by another country. Example, the USA was at one time a colony of Great Britain.
Number 6. Debate, verb. To debate is to seriously discuss something with someone. Example, the husband and wife debated over which TV to buy.
Number 7. Depart, verb. To depart is to leave some place so you can go to another place. Example, the plane departed for Italy at 3 this afternoon.
Number 8. Depress, verb. To depress someone is to make them sad. Example, the bad news from the work depressed the man.
Number 9. Factual, adjective. When something is factual, it is true. Example, John learns about history from factual books.
Number 10. Fascinate, verb. To fascinate someone is to make them really like something. Example, the kitten was fascinated by the ball of yarn.
Number 11. Mission, noun. A mission is an important job that is sometimes far away. Example, the woman's mission was to help sick people.
Number 12. Nevertheless, adverb. You use nevertheless to show that something goes against a fact. Example, he is usually friendly. Nevertheless, he wasn't this afternoon.
Number 13. Occupation, noun. An occupation is a person's job. Example, my father's occupation is a dentist.
Number 14. Overseas, adverb. If you go overseas, you go to a country on the other side of an ocean. Example, John often goes overseas for vacations.
Number 15. Persuade, verb. To persuade someone is to make them agree to do something. Example, the children persuaded their parents to buy them gifts.
Number 16. Route, noun. A route is the way you go from one place to another. Example, I saw many new houses along the route to the city.
Number 17. Ruins, noun. Ruins are old buildings that are not used anymore. Example, I visited some interesting ruins in Greece.
Number 18. Scholar, noun. A scholar is a person who studies something and knows much about it. Example, the scholar knew much about art history.
Number 19. Significant, adjective. When someone or something is significant, they are important. Example, I read many significant novels as a literature major in university.
Number 20. Volcano, noun. A volcano is a mountain with a hole on top where hot liquid comes out. Example, when the volcano erupted, smoke and heat filled the air.